Hi, everybody. Andrea Turowski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. Let's talk about the Epic Life Challenge because I have been getting a lot of questions, which makes sense because everybody's excited, and I don't want there to be any confusion on what the Epic Life Challenge actually is. There's a lot of posts about it on Facebook, Instagram, even Pinterest. So let me just kind of explain what it is because there's a couple different ways that you can sign up depending on your price point. So the nice thing is, and I'll show you my screen here in a second, is, okay, so you can sign up for sort of the mini kit. There's a large kit that has everything. So if you're the type of person who says, okay, I need to get started with clean eating now, I don't know what to buy, I don't know what to read, I don't know how to get started, I want to just buy something, have it all there for me. I followed the recipes and that's it. So if you're that type of person, if you're as serious as possible about healthy eating, exercising, feeling better, saving money, eating clean, then you do want the large kit. And it's also perfect for new customers who don't have anything yet because the kit literally pretty much includes everything, okay? It doesn't include every single Epicure product out there, but it includes all of the products that you will follow in the book. So let me show you guys that first. Let me just share my screen here for a moment. So there's 3 different ways to sign up. So let me first say that you can sign up by purchasing the big kit that includes everything. So that's this one here. Or you can sign up by purchasing what's known as the mini kit, and that has about half the amount of products. Or you can, if you're saying to yourself, well, I have pretty much all of the Epicure products to begin with, or you feel that you do have enough to simply get started and you don't want any new products necessarily, then the least expensive option is to buy the book, the recipe book for $25, that's it. And that will also help to get you started in the Epic Life Challenge. So you do have options. But this is the big kit that I was telling you guys about earlier. So this literally includes everything that you need, okay? So it includes all of this. It includes the recipe book also. So you will have literally everything you need to follow through in the book, which I have here. So every single recipe, shake, smoothie, salad, snacks, desserts, everything in here will be in this full package. So for $219.80, everything. So this is perfect for the new customer. It's perfect for somebody who says, okay, so I need to do clean, healthy eating now. I want to make sure that I have everything that I need so that I can follow it perfectly. This is what you want. It's an excellent package. It has everything. Even if you're just looking to start clean eating, cleaner, healthier eating, this is perfect for you because it includes everything, things to make salads, shakes, teas, snacks, desserts, aiolis, dips, spaghetti sauce, Caesar salad dressings, like it has everything. Now, if you're looking for the mini kit, which is about half the amount, that is included in the host exclusive only. So if you host a qualifying party, then you're lucky enough to purchase this kit here. But this kit is also excellent because it includes all of this, which are pretty much the main things that you need in the book to pretty much follow through. So no, it doesn't have everything such as the larger kit, but it does have a good amount. Plus, this kit also includes the recipe book. It includes the journal and the portion scoops as well, which is excellent. So this is normally $139 for only $70 for all of this. So you are saving a ton. So let me just click on the flyer for you guys here. So this is if you do host a qualifying party, you are able to purchase this for only $70 this month, until the 31st, I believe, yes. So this is another option. If you purchase this, you are automatically entered into the Epic Life Challenge, which is awesome in itself, right? But if you're thinking to yourself, okay, I have a lot of the products. I don't necessarily need anything else. Or even cost may be an issue for you. That is okay. If you purchase our book right here, which I'll pull that up, it's only $25. That's it. This one here. I do have the older version. I mean, it's not old. I bought it late last year, but they do have a newer one that just came out this month. It has pretty much the same things as the older version. It just includes maybe a couple extra recipes, I believe. So, but I believe that everybody who signs up now will get the newer one for the same price. So why not, right? But if you buy the book, only $25, that's it. You are automatically entered into the Epic Life Challenge, which is so nice, right? So you have three different options. Either the book for $25. If you host a party, you get this whole package, plus the book, plus the journal, plus the portion scoops for only $70 if you host a party. Or get everything, the full package for, I'll show you guys that again, for $219.80. So obviously you get everything here, okay? So a ton of stuff. But you might be wondering, what is the Epic Life Challenge exactly? So I'll show you guys the Facebook group that they have done, and they still have it running, but this is what they had for last year. So it is amazing because there are pretty much everybody who's in this page wants to do the same thing. They want to eat healthy, they want to lose weight, and they want to know sort of how to cook healthy foods, right? And this is nice because you can ask questions. We are all here to help. If you're saying on a Tuesday, you know, okay, I have been following through with everything, but I feel like I need a piece of pizza, or I feel like I need chips, or I feel like I need pop, or, you know, something, right? Post what you're having issues with, and we can all help you out. You know, we can say, no, don't have that piece of pizza, you know, don't have that bag of chips, don't have the pop, you know, just think. We can help to sort of keep you accountable, if that makes sense. And I know for me, that helps a lot, because if I know that I'm being held accountable for my actions, then I tend to follow through a lot easier. You know, we all want to do the whole healthy eating thing. But even me, I have tried in the past, but I have not been able to succeed, probably because I don't have somebody else to hold me accountable. So this is excellent. Plus, the nice thing is too, we are starting the challenges next week, I believe. So if you lose, say, a certain amount of weight in a certain amount of time, you can win a prize. If you post all of your meals for 2 weeks, you might be able to win a prize, you know. So they are actually giving away some amazing prizes. So why not, you know? We're all working hard, so why not work hard with other people, eat healthy, be less tired, have more energy, and be held accountable. Like, that's the big thing for me. Like, I was pretty excited to be a part of this page because it means that I am being held accountable. But like I said, this is the one from last year. They still have it up now, obviously, but they will be updating this, and there's a new link to a new page starting, because we start our prep week for the year next week, I believe, next Sunday, or I should say this Sunday, this Monday. So it's coming up because we do help you with everything. We teach you how to go shopping. We teach you how to prep for the week. We teach you just how to do the best you can, eating clean, eating healthy, because it's not easy once you get started. But if it's something that you want to do, you absolutely can do it. So we go through everything. If you guys have any questions, you just have to, you know, ask. It looks like people are posting their lunch ideas, their dinner ideas, you know, so it does help. It just helps everybody. So if you guys have any questions about the Epic Life Challenge program, please let me know. Like I said, I'm pretty excited about it. Just a quick recap. If you have our lovely book, whoops, that's upside down, you are automatically entered. Or you can purchase the mini package, which is $70 if you host a party. Or you can purchase the larger package for $219.80, I believe. So It just depends on how much you want, how serious you are, and let's get started. So if you guys need anything, just let me know, and I will see you guys inside the Epic Life Challenge.